Hey guys, so the rain keeps coming to Ohio here, so I figured instead of trying to deal with the weather outside and not doing the same table as always, we'd pick a different filming location today and just try here with some natural light. So got something new from Olight. So this is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm pretty excited about what I got. So there was, I guess it was last Sunday, they had a flash sale on the R50 Pro, and it was only for a half an hour. It's one of those, 1 to 1:30, you can get 40% off. So normally this is $160. I got it for less than $100, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So anyways, I'm gonna unbox this with the Kaiser sea line that I had from a previous monthly knife club box. And it's gotten a little, the titanium's gotten a little marked up from my pocket, but whatever. It's still an awesome knife. I love it. I've been carrying it a lot, so this is just what I had handy today. So, oh yeah, there I go, kicking the dang. There we go. So this, the box here in the background, this thing is actually my great-grandfather's footlocker from the Army. So you can still see the US on there. Pretty cool. So here we go. Voila! We got the Olight R50 Pro Seeker, 3,200 lumens. Throw is 250 meters. Now this 50 hours, I'll talk about that in a minute, but anyways, let's get the box out of the way. And then we also got a bag, and I'm not sure what's in the bag, but there is something in this bag, so this is a surprise. So we got the Olight, let's move this out of the way. We got the Olight bag, and then let's see what's in it. We got a card from Olight. Let's see if there's anything cool in there. Ooh, a scratch twin Olight bucks, and then just a thank you card. Cool. All right, whatever. Let's see what else we got. We got I think that's a bandana. A little Olight bandana. Yeah, there we go. Olight bandana. Cool. Awesome. Freebie stuff. We got a Merry Christmas card. And there's something else in here. Holy crap. Now that is awesome. That is, I didn't order that. An S1A baton copper. Nice. Seriously, I did not order that. That is very, very awesome. Thank you, Olight. Man, I did not expect that in the box at all. So for $100, I got that awesomeness right there, which we'll do a separate review on that in the future. That's pretty cool. Man, stoked about that. We got the bandana. We got bucks from Olight, and we got this, all for $100. Awesome deal. Man, cannot believe that. That's good. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this guy up, and this might take a second because I'll just put this on pause for a minute. All right, cool. Got the paper or plastic off, and now I'm gonna open this guy up, and I'll show you how it comes. So, isn't that nice? Man. So you get the little ribbon here where you pull this guy out, and look how compact that is. 3,200 lumens on that guy right there. So the way this thing works, so I told you I'd tell you about the 50 hours. So this has 4 different intensity levels. So 3200 is the turbo, and that is 2.5 hours. Then it goes down to 1500 lumens, so less than half. But you only lose 10 minutes of time going to the 3200s from the 1500. So 1500 is 2 hours and 40 minutes. The 3200 lumens is 2.5 hours. So, I mean, you can really have this thing on full brightness for a really long time before you have to charge it, which is really cool. And then from there, I think it goes down to 400 lumens. I can't remember the time on that. I'll put that somewhere in there. And then the lowest intensity level is 60 lumens, and that is 50 hours. 50 hours you can have this guy on. And I mean, this is only 5 inches long, and it weighs like, I think 9 ounces, 9.25 ounces. But here's your little charger, right? So it's got the little magnetic clip-on charger in here. You do get a nice nylon sheath. This is you know, hard formed, so you know, this thing goes right in there like that. But actually, I got it in backwards. Excuse me. No, I got it in there right. That's right. Okay, so it goes in like that. And then what else we got in here? I love the packaging on this, by the way. Good grief. This is all the accessories. So you got your AC cord for your house, right? That plugs in. There's the other side of it right here. So it plugs into your wall power. You got car power for your cigarette lighter. And then this is a little mount for the wall or your car. So it's got this sticky stuff right here, a little Velcro. So you can Velcro this to your car. And then you got more Velcro. You got Olight S1R Baton 2 for some reason. Okay, and then there we go. Let's get this. I can get that out. Here is where you put the dang flashlight. Right? So it just goes in there, and you know, you can charge that while it's on this guy. So this all gets put together thusly. There we go. So you can put this in your car with the Velcro or on the wall or wherever you want, and then you just put it in your docking station. I believe you can get more of these as well, but you know, there you go. It does, the button does have a low power warning. It turns red, so you know that you're starting to get low on power. What is this? Oh, these are the little screws and wall anchors for mounting that mount to the wall. But right now, obviously, it's light outside, so we'll do some filming when it gets dark too. But I'll just turn it on here and see. Oh, I bet I gotta take it apart. Hang on. Okay, so it did have a little battery protector in there you had to take out, but yeah, I mean, that is bright. The camera kind of automatically adjusts to brightness, but I can double click on this and it should go to turbo. Yeah, holy God, that is, it's hard to see in the camera, but that is super bright. That's like sunlight, and it does have a memory setting, so you know, it'll go right back to whatever you had it on last. So if you hold down the button, it should cycle through. So low, medium, high, low, medium, high. So 60, 400, and 1500 is what that's cycling through. And then of course, double click 3200, the monster light. That's an insane amount of light. So, man, super excited about this, if you couldn't tell. But yeah, I mean, basically, this thing just plugs in. Let's see, where is it at? Right there. So this plugs in there, and then that thing goes in there, and then it charges. And then you've always got a charged flashlight when you need it. And I mean, 60 lumens is plenty bright enough for most applications. I mean, that is a totally decent light. I mean, it doesn't look that bright here in the camera, but I mean, 60 lumens is pretty good. 50 hours. You have that thing on continuously for 50 hours. And it's such a tight, small little package. I mean, basically this is battery. And then everything else is up here. It does have some cooling fins up here for, you know, if you have it on 3200 lumens for a while, that thing's going to heat up. You do kind of have that orange peel reflector in there for the LED. But man, that is awesome. I'm just so happy with this purchase. So anyways, that is the Olight for now, and I will take it outside and show you guys just how bright this guy is. There it is, R50 Pro Seeker. So I'll get it, I'll make sure it's fully charged, and we'll go out there and we'll look at how bright it is. Cool. All right, that's it for right now. Hang on. Okay guys, one other thing, you do get another one of these mounts. So you have two, right, and this thing basically just pushes straight out of there. So you got one for the house, one for the car, and then you got your two chargers, one for the house, one for the car. So pretty awesome. I mean, you can always have a really nice, compact, but super bright light with you. Awesome. Okay. Hey guys, it's dark outside, so we're going to go out and see how bright this thing is. And then just for comparison, I have one from the last video, the 1000 lumen. So let's go out and check it out. Okay guys, it is raining pretty hard out, but fortunately the R50 is waterproof. So anyways, gonna go out here and so first thing is the 60 lumen, okay, 60 lumen, and then here's the low setting on the other, okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go to the medium setting. So this is 400 lumen, and then medium setting on the other, right? Hopefully you guys can see that. And now we'll go to the 1500, which, good God, that is bright. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera or not, but that's getting all the way back to the backwoods there. We'll go to the high setting on here. Oops. There we go, high setting. It really looks pretty bright. Not a huge difference there. Okay, now we're going to try turbo. So that's 3200 lumens. And that is lighting up the sky. I could probably bring in a space shuttle with this thing. I mean, that's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So, definitely a huge difference between the two flashlights on the turbo. This is turbo on the Mini, and let me turn that off. Turbo on the R50. Huge difference.